On this one, we're going to get Ginger's Mk1 Clio with the Renault 5 GT Turbo engine in it on the dyno. Just do a quick power run. There she is. Not been used for a while, has it, mate?
Not been. It's been a few months.
Yeah,
6
so
months.
it's looking alright. Anyway, so we'll go and get it on the dyno, innit?
Yeah, man.
There's our little mate, Lasty the sheep. There she is. Let's get her on then. Just need to get the Clio in now. There we go. She's on there. Already strapped down as well.
Good that.
Good that, mate. So 130 and 120 torque.
Whether it's on the wrong thing.
So less than a bar.
Oh, you see it.
So it's pretty consistent, isn't it?
30. Oh no, it's then I was like, what's that? That's
Yeah.
getting a bar. So that should be well getting over a bar, shouldn't it?
We need more boost.
We need more boost.
So we found out he's only running just under a bar, and we think that's something to do with the external wastegate. I think it's got a weak spring in it. So we're going to be naughty and just keep it shut and see what boost we get to, and then just let out of it if it gets lean. So we get on with that, innit, Ginge?
Let's get on with it.
Yeah, I done the house well early, mate.
massive difference there. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah. It's over its boost then, isn't it?
Really
Good
nice.
power. Not bad. That's low.
It's just come over the
That's low RPM that as well.
No way, I need to sort this fueling malarkey out.
So we got 167 brake, and we got 20.7 psi and 177.5 torque, and it's only at 4,947.
88 miles an hour.
Yeah. So he definitely needs a boost controller, and then she'll be all good then, isn't it?
Well, do you reckon or what?
Yeah, boost controller and fueling. Fueling, mate. Fuel pump.
No,
and then
that's
I'll
what I mean. We need more fuel. That's
fuel
what,
pump,
yeah.
and then I'll reject the carb, and we'll be all good.
Yeah, man.
Not bad that, mate. Happy days, mate. So that's just that one map selected now. You get an idea of it. But yeah, let out really early on that. So he was just climbing, and the air to fuel ratio was just climbing as well. So yeah, right, that's it then, innit? Happy days, mate.
Sorted.
So we did this, which is very naughty, to keep the wastegate shut, because I think it's got a 1 bar spring in it. So just put that back to normal. And then he's either going to change the spring, or he's going to get a boost controller on it. And he's going to get a fuel pump for it and replace the regulator anyway, aren't you?
Yeah, no, what do I do with that regulator?
Yeah, so uprated fuel pump, and then we'll get it on the dyno again, give it a boost run, and then I'll reject the carb in it to tune it.
Yeah,
Happy
man.
days, yeah. She's got potential, mate. Ginger's dirtied me floor with his screamer pipe.
Freshly painted floor.
Mate, there's your brew.
Nice one.
Happy days.
Happy bloody days.
Right, I think that's pretty much it for this one, isn't it?
I think it is. Well, for today.
Yeah, for today. So thanks for watching. Check all the other videos out, like and subscribe and all that stuff. And I'll catch you in a bit.